Hi, my name is Blue, and this is Maintenance Matters. We're a Weld County garage technician.
I'm Cory, that's me.
Teaches us how to take care of a routine maintenance car issue for those of us who don't speak car, like me. So, Cory, totally asking for a friend here, but say someone had like a real stale, smelly stench in their car, and they tried everything. Like they put 100 million little trees, they had the fancy little air fresheners in the cup holders. What would you suggest might be the issue?
Well, if I were talking to your friend, I'd probably let them know that the cabin air filter could be causing that odor.
I totally know what a cabin air filter is, but my friend, they might not. So could you walk me through what that is, how to fix it, and how long would it take?
All right, so a cabin air filter basically just filters the air coming into the vehicle so you don't have odors and pollutants in here. It's super easy to replace, and I can show you how.
All right, let's do it.
You need to put safety glasses on first.
But I really cannot pull them off the way you can.
Oh, just put them on. So that's basically it. It's super easy to get in there and replace that filter.
That's great. I can't wait for my friend's car to start smelling better. Can I take these off yet?
You can never take those off.
Don't forget to like and share with your friends who also don't speak car.